Today's chapter is psychology. So, methods of inquiry in psychology. So, quickly go and subscribe for more psychology sessions. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. Psychologists try to understand why people think, feel, and behave in certain ways. To study these questions properly, psychologists use specific research methods. These methods allow them to collect information, test ideas, and draw reliable conclusions. So, let's understand step by step. Observation and curiosity. A cartoon scientist observing people in a park with a notebook represent the observation method. Observation is one of the earliest ways psychologists study behavior. By carefully watching how people act in everyday situations, psychologists gather useful information. A student quietly watching classmates and writing notes showing systematic observation. In psychology, observation must be organized and structured. Researchers record what they see carefully so the information can later be analyzed. A brain holding a magnifying glass symbolizes how psychologists closely examine the human mind. The magnifying glass represents careful study and investigation. A researcher thinking with question marks above the head shows that every research begins with a question or curiosity. Psychologists often ask questions like why do people feel anxiety? How do children learn language? And what affects memory? A scientist writing a hypothesis on a board represents the next step in research. A hypothesis is an educated guess or possible explanation for a problem that can be tested through research. Experiments and scientific testing. A cartoon laboratory with the students performing experiments shows that psychology uses scientific experiments to test hypotheses. Experiments help researchers understand cause and effect relationships. A scientist adjusting sunlight for two plants representing changing one factor to observe its effect. In psychology experiments, this factor is known as the independent variable. Boxes labeled independent variable and dependent variable shows the two main components of experiments. The independent variable is the factor that the researcher changes. The dependent variable is the result that is measured. A visual shows two groups of students illustrates the concept of experimental group and controlled group. One group experiences the change while the other does not. This comparison helps determine whether the change caused the result. A researcher collecting answers from many people introduces the survey method, which is used when psychologists want to gather information from large groups. Interviews and surveys. Students filling out questionnaires show how psychologists collect opinions and experiences through questionnaires. This method allows researchers to gather data quickly. A researcher interviewing a participant represents the interview method. Interviews help psychologists understand thoughts, emotions, and personal experience more deeply. A psychologist reading a thick file symbolizes the case study method. In a case study, one person or a small group is studied in detail to understand unique psychological situations. Case studies and psychological test. A scientist carefully studying a patient illustrates how case studies are often used to examine unusual conditions such as memory loss or emotional disorders. A psychologist giving an intelligence test shows the use of psychological testing. These tests measure mental abilities and personality traits. A student solving puzzles during an IQ test represents how intelligence tests measure reasoning, problem solving, and logical thinking skills. A personality test with smiley faces represents the study of personality traits. So these tests help psychologists understand characteristics like confidence, shyness, and emotional stability. A scientist comparing test scores on a chart shows data analysis, which helps psychologists interpret results. Now understanding behavior in different settings. A brain with gears turning shows that human behavior is complex. Many factors influence behavior, including emotions, environment, experiences, and biological processes. A researcher observing children playing in a park represents naturalistic observation where behavior is studied in real-life situations without interference. A scientist observing animals in forest shows that psychologists sometimes study animal behavior to understand learning and instincts. A controlled laboratory environment represents controlled observation where conditions are carefully managed. A researcher writing observations in a notebook highlights the importance of recording data accurately. A scientist analyzing graphs on a computer represents the use of statistical tools to interpret research results. Learning and research collaboration. A brain connected to books symbolizes the connection between knowledge and human behavior. A teacher explaining research methods in class represents how psychology students learn the scientific process. Students discussing research findings shows the importance of discussion and teamwork in learning. A scientist checking results twice illustrates reliability, meaning research results should be consistent. Repeating an important shows the importance of replication in scientific research. A researcher protecting personal information represents confidentiality, which protects participants' privacy. A scientist asking participant for permission illustrates informed consent. A researcher ensuring participants feel comfortable highlights the importance of respect and dignity. A brain holding a shield labeled ethics shows that psychologists must follow ethical guidelines during research. A scientist ensuring no harm reminds researchers that participants must never be harmed physically or emotionally. Scientific thinking and curiosity. A student exploring psychology books represent curiosity and the desire to learn. A researcher comparing methods shows that psychologists choose the most suitable method for each study. A flowchart showing observation, hypothesis, experiment, and conclusion represents the scientific research process. A scientist presenting results demonstrates the importance of sharing research findings. Students learning about psychology experiments represent how psychology encourages scientific thinking. A researcher observing emotions shows how psychologists study emotional expressions. A scientist solving a brain puzzle symbolizes the attempt to understand complex behavior. Writing conclusions on a board shows the final stage of research. A group of psychologists discussing ideas highlights collaborative research. Charts and graphs help visualize research data clearly. A student thinking critically shows how psychology develop analytical thinking, memory, learning, and emotions. A scientist testing memory with flashcards shows how psychologists study memory processes. Reaction time experiments measure how quickly individuals respond to stimuli. Studying a student discovering a new idea symbolizes innovation through research. A scientist studying brain diagrams emphasizes understanding brain functions. Comparing research methods help identify their strengths and limitations. A scientist solving a behavioral mystery represents psychology's main goal. Students celebrating learning psychology shows the excitement of discovering how the mind works. A shining brain like a light bulb symbolizes knowledge and understanding. So for the more psychology session, please subscribe this channel.